Determination of solubility of drug in room temperature.
Apparatus required.
Beaker. Conical flask. Burette. Stirrer. Thermometer.
Chemical required.
Benzoic acid. Sodium hydroxide. Phenolphthalein. Prepare 0.1 N sodium hydroxide solution. Prepare saturated solution of benzoic acid. Filter the solution of benzoic acid. Take 10 ml of saturated solution of benzoic acid in each conical flask. Transfer to conical flask. Add 2 drops of phenolphthalein. Titrate against 0.1 N sodium hydroxide. Burette reading. Number 1. 5.0 ml. Repeat the procedure for next 2 times. Burette reading. Number 2. 4.8. Burette reading. Number 3. 5.5 ml. Calculation: 10 ml of benzoic acid, plus phenolphthalein. The solubility of drug at room temperature was found to be 6.12% weight by weight.